see, now this is how she feeds her
Why?
bees. That's really cute, like done
I want to simulate
I'm going to have to put some stones up at
I mean, does that make sense?
We've got
and fill and that's just a small pot of water.
it's a watering
The original queen
of
is
dog
going to go with
dog
the
water.
group that swarm.
It's just a
Is
dog bowl.
that, so my thought was that hive
Yeah,
would be
yeah, I'm
here.
going to have to do that.
Once you found her, we add to the base, and then you can further split between that one and that one. I mean, that was my original thought, but correct footer.
Lights are starting.
All right.
Yeah.
If we want to put it in a different location, just right here.
No, it's never too late to treat.
Does that matter?
Want to go ahead and make another split?
Well, it doesn't, I think
It depends on what you use. See, I'm not a problem.
one, two. I mean, the height, or, no, but the flip side is that I would like this high. I mean, he was down in that wet grass. So part of me does not want to make a turn. Part of me wants to do a simple half.
If you want these hives to produce honey,
I do. Then let's not.
You can always throw, just if you don't
if you wanted to do a third nuke, remember me showing you all the capped brood? You take a capped brood over there. And when you get done, and you're saying, okay, you've got a frame of honey over there, you've got 3 or 4 frames of capped brood, everything's looking really, really good. You take a frame like this that is almost all honey and pollen and the adhering bees, and you shake them in the other box.
Oh!
Like that. Okay? That way you get enough bees in there to cover the brood. If you don't take enough bees to cover the brood, that brood's going to die. Also, you notice I don't have many bees left on here, so when I put it back in here, I don't squash a lot of bees.
two splits, that'll be full.
We are getting some
Okay? It's easy. She can go wherever you want her to go. My choice would always have been to leave her in the old hive. Why? Because all the field bees are in there. Okay? What's the chances of the new queen being accepted by the field bees versus being accepted by the nurse bees?
No, okay, you're talking about putting the queen in or trying to...
I don't know, there's too many people in there.
I'd rather put the new queen in the colony that does not have the field bees going to it.
But that makes sense. So we'll do that.
No, we won't.
Yes,
You
we
already put her in here.
Well, we'll switch the box and she goes back.
All right. All right. Anybody want to give me a hand here? Pick that one up, Peter. We're going to move it over here, the whole box.
Everybody should move out of the way a little bit.
Yeah,
let's move back.
He makes more possessive about the queen. Yeah, he makes a good point. He makes a good point.
Can I move that to you so I can feel the weight of that?
Okay. Now we put the queen back where she originally came from.
Eeny, meeny, they found the right. Yeah, they did.
It's not full, I can't.
She's on the bottom.
Bring that over here.
It's only about 2/3 full.
Yeah, but there's a lot of bees in there too. Remember, there's not honey, it's so much bees.
Yep.
Okay? Now I need that box over here. All right, I'm coming to get it. I'm coming to get it.
Can you get out of the way, ladies, so this gentleman can do Lydia? Please get out of the way.
So that box is going here.
That box is way up there. All right, coming through. All the stuff here, I gotta go through. All right.
No. No, but I think that's why Daryl uses masonite.
Now Jane has her 2 new hives going. Now, where did all this stuff come from? Oh, that was
What
out
I
of the empty
did
box.
is that because there is now 4, you've got 6 frames of drawn honey. You've got 6 or 8 drawn comb. You've got brand new foundation. So that I was just the thought that when you go to now create your top, you would have all this to choose from.
Okay,
Does that make sense?
so we want a couple of slabs of honey on each side of the new box. And how many slabs of honey we got here total?
Oh, you got
We got plenty.
These are slabs of honey.
slabs of honey.
So we're going to set these slabs of honey on here.
Liddy, you have a few bees on here.
Has anybody filled a pretty full frame of honey?
Why isn't it dripping?
It's surprising. Wow. It is surprising.
Wow.
That's why we suggest maybe here don't have a good back.
I love to do that.
And the back isn't even full.
Okay, that is. Next try.
Oh, I've already.
Okay.
It's pretty heavy.
Okay.
See if I can find you one. It may not be any on here, they may have already taken it.
Well, he's saying he wants queens to stay with the field because it would be easier to introduce queens.
I'm not sure of that.
Okay, we need to back off here. Let me get this hive closed up. These are getting nasty now.
Rick, the queen stays with the nurse bees or the field bees?
Field bees.
Did you want that on the slide?
The old queen.
Yes, you want to stay with the field bees.
Okay.
Because the field bees are the ugly ones. And guess what? That is their queen.
Okay. Yes.
Getting aggravated.
Yeah, we've had them open a long time for this kind of weather.
If this is not aggravated, then they're very
The frames that you give them.
We're going to go ahead and start setting this back up.
But he's right, they're gonna
That's
start
within 3 days.
Yeah,
perturbed.
testing.
So there's 4 frames.
4 frames, honey, on the outside edges. Now, where we got just plain drawn cone?
So plain drawn cone
There's some
is
in that
in
box
here.
right there.
You've got all
Then we'll set up most drawn comb in the middle. So that queen has the time to come up here and go right to work.
Okay. Queen is in there, and they're going to have a new queen.
Yeah, that other one's going to get a queen.
Are you gonna requeen it? Or
Tomorrow.
I was
I'll let
thinking
it
of
grow.
simulating a swarm, because that's what when I've done it in the past. I move her, but hopefully there's enough.
4 honey and 6
There's
drawn
plenty
comb.
of room now
Yeah,
that
that's what I'm working on.
no one's going to go anywhere.
We're actually winding up with a lot of extra honey in there, but that's all right.
These are big hives.
It'll be fun.
They are.
We'll stick that honey on the outside.
So this is the hive without the queen.
This one, so this hive will get a queen tomorrow.
Oh, okay. So you ordered a queen.
so they've only got 5 empty frames in there to work with, really.
Really. They've got about five and a half frames of empty space to work in,
Yeah.
but that's enough to slow them down for right now. Because there's really nothing up here. As they begin to eat this honey to feed the babies in the bottom,
Oh, that's true.
they're going to start opening up more and more
That's
space.
right. Yeah.
So this hive should be fine to
This
get
was
going.
a swarm hive last year.
And these bees that are up here right now, they're all going to go wandering down in there, going up with everybody down below, because there's all that empty space in there now. There is a little bit of nectar that they've just poured some soup. Yeah, this is the soup. And that'll probably be going in another 6 weeks. It'll probably be completely full.
If we have more weather like the last 2 weeks,
Yeah.
Yep.
it will grow beyond your comprehension.
Oh, yeah. They're going to go fast.
So now what happens with the fumigillin for that hive?
What fumigillin for this hive?
Well, is the one I took off. the
Feed it to somebody else. You can't feed it to this one.
No, I know. Is that going to be an issue?
I was thinking the same thing. Everybody should know that.
You also fed fumigillin in the fall, didn't you?
I know, I did.
Okay?
Yes,
And having fed fumigillin in the fall, you probably have enough fumigillin in there, no matter what.
Now, so then in here,
Toward the
So,
end,
what did you put on this one?
warm
nothing
days
is set up
without the
box,
nasty
but I will tell you
afternoon
that.
sea breeze
Let's
coming
take that
in.
empty box off and put this one on there.
But it's almost all honey.
All
That's
but
all right.
one day in the afternoon again.
You don't have
There's
queen
no
in there yet.
Instead of
You got 2 or 3
coming-
days before queen comes out, so why not put it on there and let them start working on it?
Okay.
Okay? So lift your lid up.
All right.
Lift your lid and box up.
Cells,
I got this.
you know what I figured out? She's gone around. And that's, they're getting rid of,
Oh,
that's
very
what I
interesting.
think. Because they weren't.
Is she a last year's queen? Because last year's the queens didn't get mated well enough.